Welcome everyone to your racing event here at Diggerland today. Our racing events provide sheer entertainment for both the racers and the spectators. You're going to be completing a number of wacky challenges today, competing against the clock and other participants. We can't wait to see who's crowned the winner. Here is the machine you'll be racing. It's a 3-ton JCB Skidsteer. That's heavier than a baby elephant. Okay, so before we begin, we really want to keep you safe, so here are some important safety rules. Throughout the event, you must keep an eye out for the event organizer, the scorer, the lane marshals, and other racers. First things first, please be aware of other moving machinery, especially when you leave your machine and the race area. All the time you are in your machine, you are safe, but others around you might not be. Please therefore do not leave your machine during your heat for any reason, even at the end, until you are advised it is safe to do so. If you need to leave the race area, please notify the scorer so they know where you are going, so that they can let you know when your next race is. The heats can move quite fast. You are more than welcome to take photos during the race, but please stay within the designated spectator area to take the photos and never enter the racing track. Now for the machines. Before you climb into the machine, you need to put on a hard hat. Please make sure that it is done up tight. To do that, all you need to do is push-pull at the back strap. If the helmet is not done up tight, then as you are driving, when you hit the bumps, the helmet will move, and then you might not be able to see where you are going. And believe it or not, vision is actually quite useful at this event. When you are sitting in the machine, you need to put your seatbelt on. Make sure it clicks into place. You also need to pull down your lap bar. And when you shut your door, there's a handle on the left-hand side. Pull that down because that is your control stick. The control stick is only on the left-hand side. You do not need the right-hand control. That operates the digging bucket, and we are not going digging today. Well, I hope we're not. To go forwards, push the left lever forwards, and to go backwards, pull it backwards. To turn left, you move the stick left. To turn right, move it right. When you are sitting in the machine, on the top right-hand side is the starter key. Turn it clockwise and hold it for a few seconds until the engine starts. Next to the key is a red button with P on it. That is the park brake button. You need to push that once you have started the machine. You will not move until the park brake is off. When you pull the left-hand lever back, just be careful you only pull the lever back and that you don't lift the whole arm up. If you do, a screeching noise will be heard and you won't move, which means that the park brake has come on. If at any point the machine doesn't move, check the park brake is off. Despite the bumpers on the front of the machine, this is a non-contact sport. If we see any contact or bumping, we will press our remote red button and all machines will be stopped. Our red button will stop all of the machines, so if that happens, turn the machine off and wait for about 10 seconds and then restart. The lane marshals will come and help you too if necessary. Before the race starts, do not go until the starting flag is dropped. This applies if you're stopped halfway through the race too. That gives enough time for the marshals to get out of the way, and it also makes it fair. This is a race, but it is a skills race. The way the scoring system works is if you come first in your heat, you get 10 points. Second is 8 points. Third is 6 points. And fourth is 4 points. In addition to those points, there are penalty points. Faults like hitting the tyres, going the wrong way, getting lost, all count towards penalty points, which are deducted from your score. Finally, crashing is 4 or more penalty points, and you can guarantee if you crash, you will not be getting into the final. Are we ready to go racing? Don't forget to take lots of pictures.